Hold on a second. Something's not right. Ah. All right, that's better. Okay, so hey, lesson 20 here. Comparison shopping, unit price, and related measurement conversions. Woo! What we're looking here for you to do, and let's actually get there. What we're looking to do here is we're kind of tying everything together. So what we want to see is, hey, unit rate for a lot of these things is a good way of going about it. How much is it for one? So the idea here is, well, which box of cereal should we buy? Well, hey, let's check the price on it there. So again, money's always up on top as we're looking at these things. So the idea of $3.79. All right, oops. Hold on. Let's get an accurate price here. It's $2.79. All right. For the 10-ounce box. Sorry, I lost track there. 10 ounce, and then it's $3.99. Here we go. For the 13 ounce. And then the idea here is by finding the unit rates. So in other words, just dividing here, we can figure out how much it is for one, and then that comparison is good. So here we would end up dividing by a 10. So again, divide by 10, and then here is we would divide by a 13 to figure out how much for one. So again, we would divide by 13. So again, we're after the techniques here. So that's one way about there. So let's go down a little bit more. Here we go. Let's go to 6. Let's go to 6 here because this is going to kind of do everything here together. The idea here is in your tables, all right, and then in your graphs, we only need to grab one of them. So I'm going to grab a point. All right, I'm going to grab a ordered pair. And in this particular case, I'm going to look at the graph. And in the graph, I know we always do y divided by x. So if I look at that ordered pair, that's the ordered pair 2, 110. The first number is always the x coordinate. The second one's always the y. So yeah, here we go. I can do my 110 divided by my 2. And hey, we're going to get 55. So 55 miles per gallon. So when I come on over here, I can grab one of them and then I can set it up. And the big thing is they've got to be the same. So when we did the y on top, all right, that was the miles because that's from the y-axis. So I have to put my miles up on top. Again, consistent, that's here. So then I can reach for that calculator, just do a straight division problem, 287.5, and we're going to divide it by the 5, and we get 57.5. All right, so 57.5. So which motorcycle is more gas efficient? All right, well, here we go. It is going to be the sports bike because we're going farther, all right, farther distance on that one tank of gas that we're looking at. The other thing we want to watch for is in question 7, the ability to find the rate when given an equation. And remember, a rate is how much for one. So when the time is equal to 1, we're going to get our rates. And so what we've talked about is well, all right, let's multiply it by 1. What happens when you multiply by 1? Nothing. So yeah, so it's that 1.5 is our unit rate. Again, we can grab a point that's here. I can grab U because that's the first one I see. That's the ordered pair 2036. We always do y divided by x. So that's 36 divided by our 20. So again, we're going to punch that in the calculator. 36 divided by 20. And we get 1.8. All right. So yeah, so again, this is more copies per second. So does this have a name or something here? I don't know. Super fast deluxe and quick copies. Oh, all right. So it'd be quick copies would be the faster one there. So again, if you got a graph, we got to write down an ordered pair and do y divided by x. If we've got an equation, it's just the number that's staring at you because when you multiply it by a 1, it doesn't change it. And then if we kind of go back into your tables, all right, again, tables, it's a division problem there. We just have to stay consistent with our organization that we're looking at. And then lastly, don't forget, if we're trying to figure out the better buy, hey, it's unit rate that we're looking at. So how much for one? So again, just a bunch of different techniques and different situations to make comparisons. All right, people, that's it. I'm sorry if you're expecting a little bit more, but that's all we got for you. All right, as things start to spin around here, I'm getting a little bit dizzy, so we better stop consulting together and get you out of here. See you guys.